हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू द एपिसोड ऑफ टेक विद टीजी। ये एक ऐसा टेक शो है जहां पे आई गो बिहाइंड द सीन्स ऑफ ऑल डिफरेंट यूनिक टेक्नोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स। मतलब यहाँ पे वो जो मुश्किल चीज़ें होती हैं जो अगर हमको समझ में नहीं आती है ना, आई ट्राई टू मेक देम सिंपलर फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। एंड हर एपिसोड में हम ऐसे ही किसी नए कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं बिकॉज टेक तो चारों तरफ है, वी आर सराउंडेड बाय टेक, तो द लिस्ट इज नेवर एंडिंग एंड व्हाट वी एंड अप डूइंग आफ्टर ईच एपिसोड इज just enhancing our knowledge and sometimes it makes us intrigued कि आखिर इस नए फील्ड में अभी क्या होने वाला है। Now guys, आज का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, आज का जो टॉपिक है, इट इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग। पता लगाएंगे, आगे जानेंगे कि आज हम किसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। आई मीन होल्ड ऑन, टेक में स्टार्ट थोड़ी स्लो होती है बट लेटर ऑन इट पेसेस रियली फास्ट। अभी पता लगाते हैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टेक कॉन्सेप्ट के पीछे की पूरी कहानी। मेरा नाम है गौरव AKA TG, यू आर वॉचिंग टेक विद TG। जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। You know what? Tech is really exciting and it's something that I look up to every day. Whenever I get up, मैं हमेशा से ये सोचता हूँ कि आज क्या नया हो रहा होगा because every day there is some new innovation coming in, कुछ नया अपडेट, कुछ नई न्यूज़ because दुनिया भर में the innovations are moving at a rapid scale। और ये सभी जो टेक innovations हैं they are ट्रू गेम चेंजर्स फॉर आवर लाइफस्टाइल ऑल अराउंड। मतलब ये इम्पैक्ट करते हैं बड़े से बड़े और छोटे से छोटे उस हर एक सेगमेंट को, क्योंकि टेक इज एसेंशियली एवरीवेयर। अब यहाँ पे हमने इस शो में इन द पास्ट एपिसोड्स वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट AI, वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट मशीन लर्निंग, AR, VR, केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग एंड ऑल दैट। मतलब हमने बहुत सारे टॉपिक से बात करी है। Now, आज का जो ये टॉपिक है, इट इज समथिंग दैट लाइज इन अ सेम बास्केट बट कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट है एंड पोटेंशियल इतना ज़्यादा है इसका कि द एस्टिमेट्स आर कि बाय द ईयर 2029 इट विल बी मोर देन $120 बिलियन मार्केट। गाइज, टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एजेंटिक AI। आगे बढ़े उससे पहले जल्दी से एक बार समझ लेते हैं व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दिस एजेंटिक AI।
To understand agentic AI, one will have to imagine a future जहां artificial intelligence सिर्फ हमारे commands पे reason ही नहीं करती, बल्कि it can think for itself and can set its own goals and then take intelligible actions to achieve those goals. And that is the very watered down definition of agentic AI. जो अगला significant leap है in the evolution of artificial intelligence, and this is progress as we should become used to with anything AI. This is in lines with how AI has been progressing, from predicting future outcomes by analyzing mountains of data to now creating new content जैसे कि photos, videos and music. Agentic AI इन्हीं steps का next phase होगा, where AI can operate with more independence. Expanding upon this definition, Agentic AI systems autonomously operate कर सकते हैं without the need for any or constant human intervention. Traditional AI को आपको specific inputs देने पड़ते हैं at every steps, but Agentic AI systems can interpret our prompts, turn them to complex goals, and then take all necessary steps to achieve them. So clearly, several core concepts underpin how Agentic AI systems work, and ये autonomy इन सब में सबसे ज़्यादा paramount है. It is this autonomy that allows agentic AI systems to manage intricate workflows. The next crucial feature is goal orientation. Agentic AI systems broader goals and उनके contexts को समझ सकते हैं and best course of action ले सकते हैं. To give a quick example, an agentic AI system designed to market your social media content will autonomously and regularly monitor and analyze trends and in inputs के according adjust the marketing strategy. Which means इन systems में इनकी adaptability भी काफी important है. Adaptability refers to the system's ability to learn from its interactions, its ability to receive feedback and modify its decisions from these learnings. A practical illustration of this can be a scheduling AI जो detect कर सकता है last minute changes in people's availability and then automatically meetings reschedule कर देता है इन लोगों की availability के हिसाब से. इनकी reasoning and planning आती है LLM से. Large language models will act as central orchestrators ताकि ये systems task को समझ सकें, potential solutions generate कर सके and then coordinating specialized AI models or external tools to execute them. And while memory will also play a crucial role for these systems to keep long-term context and of course learn, एक key feature in systems का होगा environmental interaction. Because agentic AI will interact with the environment around using various interfaces जैसे कि sensors, APIs, datasets and even human input to keep updating its analysis. Thus, form subsequent actions. A good example can be an autonomous delivery robot that uses sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in its path, ensuring on-time delivery.
What is the key difference between the other AI systems and agentic AI is its goal-oriented behavior. मतलब फ्यूचर में without any human intervention ये जो agentic AI systems हैं ये अपने फैसले ले पाएंगे with full logic. And basically यहाँ पे just because it is a goal-oriented behavior of agentic AI, normal AI को जब हम use करते हैं तो कई बार we hit a wall. मतलब evolving but not really targeted towards a particular result या फिर जो path है it is not really custom. But यहाँ पे with agentic AI things are a bit different. And guys यहाँ पे अभी let's learn more about what exactly is the difference between agentic AI and other forms of AI that we are familiar with.
It is sometimes hard to believe how quickly technology evolves. It is sometimes hard to believe that the word artificial intelligence did not exist in the daily vocabulary of a lot of us before the November of 2022. ये वो टाइम था जब AI transcend हुआ from the stuff of science fiction to a verb we now associate with everyday stuff, just like Google. And 2022 के उस mainstream हो जाने के बाद से भी AI की फील्ड में इतने advancements इतनी जल्दी आ गए हैं कि it is getting hard to play catch up. While early AI systems were predominantly rule-based, in the sense they relied on the instructions we were programming, agentic AI systems have been taking things to a whole new level. Keeping the underlying technology the same, there are many obvious technical differences between how an agentic AI tool is developed versus how some of the other common AI tools are built. Because agentic AI tools are much more advanced and complicated. However, the basic differences between the two categories from the point of view of general consumers like us, इनको हम कुछ brief points में divide कर सकते हैं. Starting with autonomy and dependency. While agentic AI systems autonomously operate कर सकते हैं, which means they just don't create responses, they plan actions. ये decisions ले सकते हैं and बिना constant हमारे human inputs के उन्हें execute कर सकते हैं. Other AI tools, ranging from ChatGPT to the DALL-Es of the world, they depend on prompts. Sure, they can generate amazing responses and analysis based on patterns in data, but ये independent actions नहीं ले सकते हैं for now. Next up, decision making versus prediction. Agentic AI systems are thinking ahead in time, and this is based on the objective that they are out to achieve. यहाँ पे situation analysis involved है, available options का analysis involved है, unlike other AI agents where prediction involved है, but based on the data that is pre-fed to them, or in better words, they're finding patterns in the data that they are trained on. Third, this segues into the next big distinction, which is that agentic AI platforms are goal-oriented. This means that these platforms have defined long-term goals, and their approach towards achieving those goals is dynamically adaptive, compared to other AI platforms which have a very reactive approach towards generating responses. अगर आप भी देखें तो sometimes it feels like उनका एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के beyond कोई sense of purpose नहीं लगता है. Next up, the concept कि agentic AI tools एक larger memory के साथ काम करते हैं, यानी ये further translate करता है into longer context awareness, because agentic AI tools can hold and solve for longer periods of time and context when compared to normal AI tools, which have limited memory or context awareness capabilities. Not all AI platforms retain conversations or interactions. उनके साथ हर interaction एक fresh start होता है, which means उनके responses across interactions, they are isolated with no prior context held relevant. Let's come to the fifth major difference, which is the ability of agentic AI platforms to use external tools. जैसे कि इंटरनेट ब्राउज कर लेना, दूसरे APIs में क्वेरीज पैच कर लेना एंड दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ इंटरैक्ट कर पाना. Quite opposite to the limited capabilities of normal AI platforms which are dependent on their own training data and per se दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म्स को लेवरेज नहीं कर सकते. And of course, while there are many more differences between these two pieces of similar looking technologies, the last major difference worth mentioning are the abilities of agentic AI tools to have the ability to learn continuously and utilize these learnings in the real world interactions that they have. For example, an agentic AI system controlling a robot with vision sensors can learn its environment continuously and guide the robot. Whereas a traditional AI platform doesn't necessarily evolve dynamically per se on our interactions with them. And of course, while they are producing responses, there is no interaction with the physical world. This is completely unlike agentic AI, जिसकी applications इनकी real world interactions के हिसाब से develop करी जा रही हैं, जैसे in the future control robots, automate real world and even critical processes, and actually take actions with physical outcomes, much beyond than just producing text, sound, or videos.
गाइस डिफरेंसेस तो बहुत सारे हैं और इनफैक्ट आगे इसका इम्पैक्ट भी बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा होने वाला है. अभी के लिए इट्स टाइम फॉर अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक, बट ब्रेक के बाद जब मैं आपसे मिलूंगा विल टॉक अबाउट मेनी इंडस्ट्रीज जहां पे एजेंटिक एआई इनको एकदम रियलाइज करने वाला है. द वे न्यू एजेंटिक एआई एप्लीकेशंस आर कमिंग इन, दीज इंडस्ट्रीज विल बी कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड इन द नियर फ्यूचर. लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट देम आफ्टर दिस शॉर्ट ब्रेक. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक. मेरा नाम है गौरव aka TG. You are watching Tech with TG and in today's episode the entire conversation is around agentic AI. ब्रेक से पहले हमने जाना what exactly is agentic AI and what are the differences between the traditional AI systems that we are familiar with compared to agentic AI. लेकिन अभी इट्स टाइम टू गो अ लेवल अप एंड यहाँ पे अभी हम पता लगाने वाले हैं कि वो कौन सी इंडस्ट्रीज होने वाली हैं जिनको एजेंटिक एआई एकदम बदलने वाला है. मतलब सम ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वाइटल सेगमेंट्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज अराउंड अस बिल्कुल बदल जाएंगे बिकॉज द एजेंटिक एआई एप्लीकेशंस दे विल रिवोल्यूशनाइज देम कंप्लीटली. लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट इट.
One way of scratching the surface of what agentic AI can do for us is by understanding some of the wider benefits that it can bring to some of our current everyday industries. First, हम आज एक data generating behemoth of a species हैं. कुछ estimates बताते हैं कि every day today we might be generating 402.7 million terabytes of data. Imagine if you are in an industry plugged into some of this data. Raw data, sensor feeds, sales figures, social media numbers, real-time visualizations, advanced predictive analysis, all these and more tasks can benefit with the use of agentic AI systems. इन systems के इस्तेमाल से data analysis teams automated workflows डिजाइन कर सकते हैं जो इस data को synthesize कर दें, even trends predict कर दें, flag anomalies, or maybe even design dashboards that automatically adjust to factors noticed in the data. Imagine pivoting strategies on the fly because data is speaking faster to you, it's speaking better to you, or maybe just imagine the ability to read some of the most complex data possible like an open book in a snap. Second, now imagine being a software developer जिसके साथ हमेशा एक assistant coder रहता है जो ना केवल coding की हर language में adept है, this fellow can even review, debug, deploy, help in alpha and beta testing of these developed packages and integrate like a diligent customer review manager in a very continuous integration, continuous deployment like environment. इससे literally आपका bug hunting वाला time तो बचेगा ही, आपका time to mass market काफी कम हो जाएगा. You as a software developer can focus on the larger solves needed in the product instead of, well, coding between the lines. Third, राइटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर से आते हैं मूविंग हार्डवेयर अराउंड पर. एजेंटिक एआई की कांस्टेंट मॉनिटरिंग एंड एनालिसिस ऑफ रियल टाइम डेटा फ्रॉम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नेटवर्क्स opens up a world of possibilities in bettering logistics. Dynamic delivery route optimization, highly precise inventory tracking and management, demand surge का prediction. Let's say मौसम ने कुछ गलत चाल चल दी जो आप नहीं predict कर पाए तो instant rerouting with minimal loss to delivery commitments and efficiencies, which means slowly and over time raw material sourcing से लेके last mile delivery तक में cost reductions. ये सब possibilities हैं with an optimal implementation of agentic AI systems in the field of logistics. Next up on fourth, who would be happy with all these cost optimizations? The agentic AI system जो financial institutions and establishments deploy करेंगे. With the usage of these intelligent systems, financial institutions can deploy faster and more accurate risk assessments. You will be able to catch frauds and anomalies faster because pattern recognition काफी तेज हो जाएगा. Plus, काफी अच्छे precision के साथ high speed algorithmic trading भी possible हो जाएगी. The integration of these systems from single person transaction processes to millions of data streams from across the globe will empower our banking institutions to become faster, less erroneous, and add another layer of protection from frauds. Fifth, in healthcare, agentic AI systems are already in use where they integrate patient records with the latest clinical studies so that doctors can recommend tailored treatment plans. AI systems have been helping doctors, scientists, and researchers across the globe in disease mitigation, researches, synthesizing new drugs, perform critical surgeries, and much more. And healthcare industry में आप इन serious use cases से आगे भी देखें तो an agentic AI system trained and deployed to run a hospital better will help use resources better, manage schedules of patients better while keeping in mind patient criticality and emergencies. Last one for the day, the industry of customer care and management. We've all talked to AI chatbots. हमने सबने at this point voice assistants भी use किए हैं. But imagine a smart system which starts where these other kinda hit their limitations. Imagine ऐसे systems जो काफी large volumes of incoming queries handle कर सकते हैं with remarkable accuracy, with empathy, with better expressed reactions and emotions in natural language जो over the period of the conversation customer की language sensibility समझ के responses adapt भी कर देते हैं. That too, holding this context for longer periods of a customer cycle for a particular product or service. And only if the issue's severity requires a human in the loop will they say कि मैं आपकी कॉल हमारे मैनेजर को ट्रांसफर कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ. Benefits: a 24/7 service environment that can triangulate on issues faster, with customers receiving immediate attention and personalized interactions, and with human agents only tackling the most complex of cases.
So guys, there you have it. मतलब एक फैक्ट जो टेक के बारे में ऑब्वियस है, इट इज़ कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें बदल देता है बहुत कम टाइम में. The way innovations are happening, the way AI is spreading all around, especially things like agentic AI coming in action now, मुझे लगता है the future is going to be very different, very unique in a way, और शायद हम बहुत ज़्यादा advanced lifestyle lead करने वाले हैं. Well, what's your thought? What are your reactions? आपको क्या कहना है? Let me know by writing to tg@ntv.com. Drop in all your emails. आपका क्या मन कहता है about AI and about tech? Well, if in case you have any feedback, any appreciation, suggestion, complaints, concerns, whatever, you know the drill. It's tg@ntv.com. मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ next week एक और exciting episode के साथ में. Same time, same place, या in fact you can tune into the digital networks of NDTV. आप enjoy कर सकते हैं आपका favorite show Tech with TG. See you all next week. अभी के लिए इतना ही. Take care and have a good day.